Alright everybody, welcome back to The Last Southerners. Today I'm going to be cooking my version of Mexican street tacos. I'm going to cook them on the Blackstone Griddle. It's going to have carne asada and it's going to have a variety of fresh vegetables. My family loves it. We cook it quite often and we're fixing to throw down. So stay tuned and here we go. Okay guys, first off we're going to make our red sauce. We're going to go ahead and use 2 teaspoons of salsa. Next up, we're going to drop some chili powder in the sauce, taco sauce, and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. We're going to mix that up real good because we will be coating the tortillas with this sauce when we put it on the flat grill. Alright, to prep our vegetables, we're going to go ahead and chop 1/4 onion. Six ounces of cilantro diced up. And we're going to be mixing the cilantro with the onion. I'm going to go ahead and dice up 2 sweet peppers. And these sweet peppers are killer on the taco. Alright, we're going to take a look at the cilantro and the sweet peppers. We're going to go ahead and set that off to the side. We're going to bring up our carne asada. In English, it's actually called grilled steak, skirt steak. Some people use a thin strip of sirloin. But you want to look for that fatty, marble, tender look. That marbling is what makes it a good steak. Okay, and we're going to show you the steak once it's all sliced up. And again, we're going to season it with salt, pepper, cayenne pepper, garlic, and herbs. And season it to taste. Some people like it spicier. If you like it spicier, go ahead and use more cayenne. If you like it less spicy, use less. Alright, we're going to go ahead and set that to the side. We're going to heat our Blackstone up to medium heat. And I like to throw my vegetables on first, just to kind of let them soften up, and also to check my grill. When they start getting a good sizzle, I know my grill is hot enough. You can see I'm seasoning that with some seasoning salt, garlic and herb, and a little bit of black pepper. Anytime using a Blackstone, you want to make sure you have plenty of oil. Okay, now I'm adding the carne asada. And I'll be cooking this for about 6, maybe 7 minutes. Of course, on the video, time will be sped up. But you don't want to make it well done. You want to cook it about like you cook a ribeye. Where it's starting to brown. Alright, it's really looking good now. Browning up well. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and get ready to remove that. Again, I'm cooking on medium. I like to keep one side of my grill hot and one side of my grill on low heat. So I usually cook medium on the left and low on the right. Those peppers are still softening up. I'll throw a little more oil on them.
Okay.
And prepping the tortillas.
Use authentic Mexican corn tortillas, guys. Alright, the red sauce we prepared, this is when you use it. You go ahead and brush both sides of your tortillas, so that flavor kind of soaks in that corn tortilla. And today I'll be cooking 8. And these corn tortillas take about 3 to 4 minutes cooked on medium, and they'll start firming up and get a crisp to them. Whenever they start to get a golden brown look and they crisp up well, that's when you want to start adding your filling. Alright, here I'm starting to plate. You don't want them too crispy. You still want to be able to fold them. I'll be adding my carne asada. And I'm running out of daylight here, so the quality's not so good. We're cooking it outside. Now our Mexican cheese. Layer in our sweet peppers now.
I got cilantro and onions right here.
Cilantro and onion. You can finish it with whatever sauce you like. I just like plain taco sauce. Some people like hot sauce. Some people like salsa verde. It's all good. And here's an overhead view of what it looked like once it was plated.
Alright, so that's how I cook the Mexican street tacos on the Blackstone. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, follow my videos, and let me know what else you'd like to see. So we're about to give this a taste test and see how it turned out. Phenomenal.